Hi guys, I'm back here. This time I'm going to open with you my new iPhone 11. I got it delivered yesterday afternoon and I didn't open it just because I wanted to wait today and open it with you. So this is going to be a really short video. I literally just want to open it, and then maybe in the next videos I will show you a little bit more about that. So yeah, let's just start. This is the box. Here it is. I chose the purple color. As you can see, it is beautiful. I love the color. It's really nice. I'm just going to. So first thing we got in the box is the phone. It feels a bit heavier and bigger than I was expecting, but yeah, I like it. I really like it. I can show you closer. Really nice. In the box we have also the instructions here, and there is an Apple logo inside, two Apple logos inside, and then we've got some headphones, and charging cable. And yeah, this is basically everything that you will find in the box. Here it is. This was a super short video about opening my iPhone and showing you how it looks, how the color looks. I think the camera is really showing the color as it is, so there's no difference with the real color. Now I'm just going to put it on charge, transfer everything from my old phone, and just have a look at the phone in general. And hopefully I'm going to talk to you about that in one of my next videos. See you soon. Bye!